What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds. What's he doing now? What's he thinking now? What's he cooking now? Detmurds.
Paulie here, and this is going to be a frozen pizza review. Had enough cheese balls. Anyhow, I got a frozen pizza right behind me. I've been busy all day cooking. I did some smoked salmon on this new device I got. Here's a picture of that salmon. Amazing. Let's talk about the pizza. We got the Amy's made with organic tomatoes and basil pizza. Margherita. I love a margherita. It's a classic. Margherita is a classic. Thin crust topped with mozzarella. Well, it better be topped with mozzarella. Anyhow, this thing, they say cook 9 to 10 minutes. I think I cooked it about 14 minutes. I don't know. I think I messed up the instructions. Let's sit 2 minutes. I didn't understand there was an option to put it on a pan. I read it so fast because I'm doing the salmon thing. Anyhow, let's give it a try. Might not be a fair grade in the end, but let's try it. So the crust is a little dark. What can you do? Shame on me. Too worried about the smoked salmon. It looks pretty good on top and bottom. A little darkness. Okay. In that bottom right corner, bottom left corner, hand stretched crust. I don't get it. Okay, it kind of looks like it was stretched, but was it? I know it's the perimeters of this frozen pizza are not the same. You got some different shapes on the outside, but really, are they hand stretched? I think the truth has been stretched. That's right, another Detroit pop. The Town Club Vanilla Cream. Ooh, twist off cap. Cheers. Refreshing. Almost took my breath away. It actually did. Whew. So good. Whew. That pop gets a 5 on the pepperoni scale. Let's get back to the pizza though. All right, just to be fair, because I overcooked it, I'll add a half point to the score. Fair? But the flavors on top are pretty good. Yeah, the crust is not really optimum, maybe because of my failure in preparation, but let's try some more. Margherita. I should still get those flavor notes. from a margherita pizza out of this pizza, frozen pizza. I'm not really getting it. Kind of bland. With the plus 5.0, this one gets a 0.80. So with the free 50 points, not free, I know I overcooked it, but with the plus 50 points, it only gets 80. So technically it's only a 30. Really, me overcooking a little bit didn't really make that much of a difference because the top is not burnt up. The top is still there. Crust doesn't really matter because it's not a homemade crust, even though it is a hand stretched crust. Where's the stuff out of? California, Amy's Kitchen. I'm not trying to pick on California. Love you, Californians. I am on Odysee.com. I'm also on Instagram. I'm on Rumble, and I'm also on Facebook. I got a Facebook page, all under the name of Paulie Detmurds. So check me out. Thank you so much. I'm out.